Well, it's 4 o'clock in the morning. Thought I'd give you a last minute status report. We have all the parts for the blue bike, the blue bath tube. All the parts are here. In the meantime, the black Norton went home. The gold bike is up on the lift. And we're heading out for Easter at friend's house in Tucson. And we'll be back next Tuesday, most likely. So it's Friday, Easter weekend. And we are heading out. And when we get back, I will pull the timing cover off this bike and start the installation of the electric starter. And then take it off the lift while waiting on the timing cover to come back from Tucson for the drain down modification. I will put this back on the lift and install these parts, and theoretically it should be complete and can go to the client. That'll put us in a lot better shape. So this bike and this bike are going to be sharing or swapping places on the lift starting next Tuesday. So have a good Easter, and I will see you all next week.